The Average Directional Index, ADX, is a widely used technical indicator that helps traders assess the strength of a trend in the financial markets. Available on TradingView, the ADX is especially useful for identifying whether a market is trending and how strong that trend is, although it does not indicate the direction of the trend itself. This essay provides a comprehensive guide on using the ADX indicator in TradingView to enhance your trading strategy. To begin, accessing the ADX indicator on TradingView is straightforward. After opening the TradingView platform and selecting the desired asset, navigate to the Indicators button at the top of the chart. In the search bar, type ADX, or Average Directional Index, and select the indicator from the list. Once added, the ADX will appear as a separate panel beneath the main price chart, displaying three lines: the ADX line, the positive directional indicator plus DI, and the negative directional indicator minus DI. These lines provide valuable insights into trend strength and direction. The ADX line measures trend strength on a scale of 0 to 100, with higher values indicating stronger trends. For example, an ADX value below 20 suggests a weak or non-existent trend, while values above 25 indicate a strong trend. The plus DI and minus DI lines represent directional movement. When the plus DI line is above the minus DI line, the market is in an uptrend. Conversely, when the minus DI line is above the plus DI line, the market is in a downtrend. Together, these lines allow traders to evaluate both the presence and strength of a trend. Customization is an essential part of using the ADX indicator effectively in TradingView. The default setting for the ADX is a 14-period calculation, which works well for most scenarios. However, traders can adjust this value based on their specific strategies or the time frame they are analyzing. Customizing the appearance of the lines, such as changing colors or line thickness, can also improve clarity and usability. Interpreting the ADX on TradingView is key to its practical application. Traders should focus on the ADX line to determine trend strength and use the relationship between plus DI and minus DI to assess trend direction. For example, a strong bullish trend is indicated when the ADX is above 25 and the plus DI is above the minus DI. Conversely, a strong bearish trend occurs when the ADX is above 25 and the DI is above the plus DI. If the ADX is below 20, it signals a ranging market, and traders may consider strategies such as trading between support and resistance levels. TradingView's platform also allows users to combine the ADX with other indicators for more comprehensive analysis. For instance, traders can use oscillators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to identify overbought or oversold conditions in conjunction with ADX signals. Moving averages can further confirm trends identified by the ADX. By integrating these tools, traders can make more informed decisions about entries, exits, and risk management. Generally, the ADX indicator is an invaluable tool for traders seeking to understand market trends and their strength. When used on TradingView, its ease of access, customization options, and ability to integrate with other tools make it highly effective. Whether you are a trend trader or prefer range-bound strategies, the ADX can help refine your approach and improve your